Right, so now the icing is done, you get your chocolate biscuit, your chocolate finger, and you just dip it a little bit in the white icing, and then you dip it in the sprinkles. Let me keep, and it's going to go on all of that icing. There you go, there's a little sparkler. Like that. Now if you don't want a chocolate one, you can get your breadstick. That's going to be a much longer sparkler, isn't it? So the same as what you did with the chocolate finger. Dip the breadstick in the icing, get your sprinkles, there you go. Oops, oops. We'll do that one again. There you go. Do that one again. You be very gentle with a breadstick because it breaks so easily. Right, there we go. I'm going to do it very carefully, and there we go. There's my sparkler. And stick it in there and let it set, and then you can eat it. Yum yum. There's your bonfire treat. You could have a go at that at home with your grown-up. Okay.